Okay, so let's have this problem. So find the vertex, focus, directrix, and endpoints of the latus rectum of the parabola. Then graph the parabola. So from this given general equation of the parabola, first, we need to rewrite this equation in a standard form. And to rewrite this equation in a standard form, variable with exponent 2 must be on the left side and the rest transposed to the other side. So since x is the variable with exponent 2, so x must be on the left side. So this is x squared plus 6x then equals, so this negative 20y transpose, that becomes positive 20y. And this positive 49 becomes negative 49. Then this time we can apply now the completing the square for x. So just take this number, so that's 6, then divide by 2, take the square, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 squared, that's 9. Then we need to add this number to this equation. So this becomes x squared plus 6x plus this number. So plus 9 then equals 20y minus 49 and also plus this number. So plus 9. Then this time we can apply now the factoring. So we need to factor this equation of x, and to factor this equation, so factors for x squared, that's x times x. Since the middle term is positive, so this is plus. Then factors for 9, that's 3 times 3. So we have now x plus 3 quantity to the power 2. Then equals this 20y and this negative 49 plus 9. So negative 49 plus 9, this is negative 40. Then from this equation on the right side, we need to put this positive 20 outside. So this equation becomes x plus 3 quantity to the power 2 then equals. So again, we need to put this 20 outside. So we have 20 and the remaining is y. Then for this negative 40, we need to divide this negative 40 by this number. So divide by positive 20. Then we have this negative, divide by positive. This is negative. And 40 divided by 20, that's 2. So we have y minus 2. And this is now the standard equation of this parabola. Then from this standard equation, we need to find the standard form for us to know the formula in finding the vertex, focus, directrix, and endpoints of the latus rectum. So since this standard form is x squared, so therefore the standard formula, so we have x minus h to the power 2, so we have x squared then equals, since this is positive 20, so therefore this is positive 4p, then y minus k. So this is now the standard form for our standard equation. And this time, to find the unknown, the vertex, focus, directrix, and endpoints of the latus rectum, from the standard form, the x squared and positive 4p. So this is the standard equation, the x squared and positive 4p. So therefore, this is now the formula to find the focus, equation of directrix, and the endpoints of the latus rectum. But first, we need to find the three values, the h, the k, and the p. So for h, since h always go with x, and this is x, so therefore this is h, and for the value of h, take the opposite sign. Since this is positive 3, so x is equal to negative 3. And for k, since k always go with y, and this is y, so this is k. And again, always take the opposite sign. Since k is negative 2, so therefore k is equal to positive 2. Then this time, to solve for p, so to solve for p, we need to take this number, so that's positive 20, then equals, so equate this positive 20 by this positive 4p, so we have positive 4p. Then to solve for p, so divide both sides by 4, divide by 4, so p equals 20 divided by 4, that's positive 5. So these are now the values for h, k, and p. Then this time we can solve now the focus, equation of directrix, and endpoints of the latus rectum. So to find now the vertex, since vertex is h and k, so therefore h is negative 3 and k is positive 2. So vertex is negative 3 and positive 2. Then to solve for focus, so formula for focus, so we have h, then we have k plus p, k plus p, then substitute now the value. So for h is negative 3 and k is positive 2, then plus p is positive 5. Then to simplify, so we have negative 3 and 2 plus 5, that's 7. So focus is negative 3 and positive 7. Then for the directrix, or the equation of directrix, so this formula that y equals k minus p, so y equals k minus p, then we have y equals k, k is positive 2 minus p, p is 5, so this is now y equals 2 minus 5, that's negative 3. So the equation of directrix, y equals negative 3. Then the last one, the endpoints of the latus rectum. So latus rectum, and this is now the formula. So that's h, then plus minus 2p, then k plus p. So substitute now the values. So we have h, and h is negative 3 plus minus 2 times p, and p is positive 5. Then k is positive 2, then plus p, P is 5. Then since from this equation we have this plus and minus, so we need to separate the plus and the minus. So we have now negative 3. So let's start with the positive. So plus this 2 times 5, this is 10. Then the other one, 2 plus 5, that's 7. Then to simplify, so this negative 3 plus 10, so this is positive 7 and positive 7. So this is one of the endpoint of the latus rectum. Then the other one, so this is negative 3 and this time the minus. So minus this 2 times 5, that's 10. Then this 2 plus 5 is 7. Then to simplify, so this negative 3 and negative 10, that's negative 13, then 7. So these are now the endpoints of the latus rectum. Then this time, to graph this parabola, so we have this Cartesian plane, and this is y, this is x, and it starts with the vertex. So since vertex, this is x and y, so x is negative 3 and y is positive 2. So x negative 3, so 1, 2, 3, so this is negative 3, and y is positive 2. So this is now the point for the vertex. Then for the focus, so this is x and y. So x is negative 3 and y is positive 7. X negative 3, y is positive 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you connect. So this is now the point of the focus. Then for this equation of directrix, y equals negative 3. So y negative 3, so this is negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. So this is now the equation of the directrix. Then for this endpoints of the latus rectum, so start with this positive 7 and positive 7. So x is positive 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also positive 7 for y. So this is now the endpoint of the latus rectum. And the other endpoint, we have negative 13 and positive 7. So x negative 13, so negative 3, negative 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this one is negative 13 and 7. So this is the other endpoint of the latus rectum. Then to draw the curve, so this is now the graph of this parabola.